Jai Hind everyone. Today I'm going to deliver a lecturate on the topic global terrorism. Global terrorism is the use of criminal violence to threaten the public or force the government to change its policies across the globe. It can be based on psychology or the ideology of the terrorist. For example, the terrorist attack on World Trade Complex Center in New York City in 2001, infamous as 9/11 attack, is one of the deadliest attack in the till now. So on average 26,000 people have been killed by the terrorist worldwide each year for past decade. So what are the reasons for this global terrorism? The ideological reasons. Some terrorists are having certain beliefs or ideology or principle or values to threaten the public, and they are motivated through different ideology. Then comes strategic reasons. There are the certain terrorists who want to compel the government to abstain from or change their policy. That's what make them to go for the violent attacks over the public. So apart from there are political reasons and apolitical reasons, then regional reasons due to the terrorism is spreading worldwide. So what steps have been taken by the globe till now? United Nations General Assembly have taken a good step in order to increase the cooperation among the nations so that they can suppress the terrorist attacks. Apart from that, International Convention for Suppression of Terrorist Bombing or International Convention for Suppression of Terror Funding or Nuclear Weapon is are one of the steps taken by the globe in order to suppress the terrorism. In India, National Investigation Agency Act of 2005, which allows NIA to act against terrorism overseas. Apart from that, NSG, National Security Guard, which is there to maintain peace nationwide. Apart from that, in state there are ATS, that is Anti-Terrorism Squad, which maintains or respond as a quick response team against the terrorism. So what are the challenges against terrorism for the globe? Like now the time have changed. There are the different types of terrorist attack, like bioterrorism, in which they are sometimes using virus or even they are using the pest in order to destroy the crops to increase the scarcity of food in any nation. Apart from that, there are cyber terrorism, in which they are targeting the nations or maybe they are targeting to their defense capabilities of the nations. Apart from that, there are social networking terrorism, where the youth are being diverted, their mindset are being diverted on the name of their religion, or they are being paid for that. So what can be the way forward? So initially all countries are needed to get united to increase the cooperation to fight against this terrorism, and also they should focus more to increase the cyber security so that there will be no such cases of the cyber terrorism. Apart from that, these countries should also make certain laws on the social media sites so that there will be no unauthentic news will be spread, or no one should get unauthentic details or can spread the sensitive information of the country. So these steps should be taken in order to fight against the terrorism. Already we have seen that BIMSTEC, SHARK or G20, there are many international summits which are against this terrorism, and they are fighting to suppress the terror funding also. Thank you.